Hello, I am Professor Sundar Raj, retired as a professor of mathematics at the National College, Bangalore. Now, this video is on large numbers, the face values of their digits and their expanded forms. Take a strip of paper with a convenient length and make marks as shown here. One long, another one is short, again long, again short, alternately long and short. I have made these 4 and 2 centimeters, again 4 and 2 like that till the end of the strip. That's your first step. Next we are going to fold along these marks. So first this one here, fold it this way towards the right. Now unfold. The next mark here, fold in the opposite. This is this way. This is the opposite direction. One is up, one is down. The next one is going to be down. Fold it that way. The next one is again up. So when you fold it like this, you are going to get that one. It looks like a staircase. When you see it like this, it looks like a staircase. When you fold all of them here, and then you have to write the numbers. Let's take the number 25,736. Here, these are the folds. First, the first space here, write 2. Next is 5. Then write 7, all the digits, then 3 and 6. So this will represent the number 25,736. Now, after 2, just open it here and write into 10,000 and plus in this space here, and then fold it. Now after 5, in the space here, you should write into and 1000 and plus. Once again fold it back. Again unfold after 7. Write into 100 and plus. And then fold it back. Unfold after 3. 3. Write into plus. And then fold it back. And finally, you have a 6 there. Just write simply into 1. So now if you want the place value of 2, simply open this. You will find 10,000. That means the place value is 2 into 10,000 or 20,000. Next, place value of 5 if you want. Open it here. You will find 5 into 1,000, that is 5,000. So place value of 5 is 5,000. Next, place value of 7 is 700. Place value of 3 is 30. And the place value of 6 is 6. And when you want the expanded form of that number, here we have 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This gives the expanded form of the given number. It is often called, just for fun, place value snake. It looks like a snake, that's why.